Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to use one-handed mode or reachability mode to easily control large screen iPhones. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap directly on Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch. Locate the configuration row labeled Reachability. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Reachability to turn it completely on. Now, to pull the top of the display down into easy thumb reach, the gesture depends on your device hardware layout. If your iPhone uses Face ID with no physical button, simply swipe downward directly on the very bottom edge of your screen. If your iPhone has a physical home button, lightly double tap the home button without clicking it down. To instantly return your interface to the standard full screen layout, just swipe upward from the bottom edge or tap anywhere on the blank upper half of the display screen. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.